Hi, I'm Leonardo, and my name is Fernando, and we're going to solve two circuits, and we are going to simulate it. We already solved by hand. I'm going to solve the first one by drawing all the resistors. Then I'm gonna change all the values. But first one, I'm gonna draw the circuit, and here we need to put a current source that is the one that it's 2 amperes. So we are going to connect it here. We also need a voltage source that is the one with that it's 5 volts. The positive terminal is the biggest line, so it's correct. And we need to connect this by wires. And it's almost done. We only need to add the voltage and the current sources that are the controlled. So here is the voltage controlled by voltage, and by with wires we are going to connect it. And the drawing it says that the positive terminal is on the right. So here is the connected on that way, and Bx it's the positive terminal on the right, because this source depends on Bx and it's connected. Now we need to input the current, the control current source, and for that we need to delete the resistance and add it again, but until here, because we need to connect it to the control current source. And with wires, we know that the current get in through the negative terminal and get out through the positive. That's why I connected on this way. And the current is flowing through the positive and leaving through the negative. So that's why I connected on this way. Now I'm going to change all the values. So it's going to be equivalent to the problem, to the data the problem gave us. Here it's 53, 17, 21, and I need to also change this, and I need to input the equation. From this current source, it's 5 times the current we are evaluating, so it's 5 times IY, and this one is 10 times BX, so it's gonna be 10 times I minus B. Now I'm gonna to put the current speed on this one, and now we can see the current in the mesh, it's 1.28. The current of IY, it's 714 milliamperes, and 5 times that, it's 3.571 amperes, so it's correct. The current on this mesh it's 1.6069, and the current on this is 2 amperes. The BX it's 19.28, and it's all concurrent for the problem solved by hand. Here, the problem solved by hand, we got negative values because the current is flowing in the opposite direction, because we decide clockwise to solve the by hand. And here we can see that some currents is flowing counterclockwise. So, and now my classmate is gonna solve the second.
Now I'm going to solve the second circuit using the multi-sim simulator. First, I'm going to place all the resistances. There are 5 resistances. So here and here. Next, the voltage sources I'm going to place sources, DC power, okay. There are two of these, so I'm just going to copy and paste and rotate. We can see that the positive terminal is on the left side as in the drawing. And next, this current source. Here it is. I'm going to place it here. And next, the current control voltage source. I'm going to place it here. And the ground. Here, put the ground. And now I connect everything. Next thing I'm going to do is change all the values. 16, 2, 8, 1 milliampere, then 3, and 2. Next, this current, and this is 4. So I connect the ground, and next, this current, then I close the circuit, and now I'm going to place so here I will place the voltage in the nodes. And here we can see all the voltage in the nodes and also the current, which is the same as we got when we solved the circuit by hand.
Thank you.
Thank you, that is all.